Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tonneau covers for the Ford F-150 that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to protect your truck bed and cargo while adding a sleek finished look to your vehicle, then you're in the right place. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Leer Latitude, a soft tri-fold tonneau cover designed to fit Ford F-150 models with a 5.6-foot bed. Leer is known for its innovation, and the Latitude lives up to the brand's reputation with its exclusive sync latching system, which allows for one-handed operation. This cover is made from a rugged vinyl material that offers durability while maintaining flexibility. The no-drill installation process is straightforward, and it can be done by one person in a matter of minutes. In terms of design, the Latitude features a self-tensioning frame that keeps the cover securely in place, even in rough weather conditions. Its tri-fold design lets you partially or fully open the cover for versatile cargo access. While the cover does a good job of sealing out water thanks to its beveled edges and rounded corners, it's not as robust in terms of weather resistance as some of the other covers on this list. It's lightweight at just 16 ounces, which is great for portability, but some users might find it less durable compared to heavier options. The Leer Latitude is an affordable and functional choice for those who want a quick and easy solution for protecting their truck bed. However, with fewer customer ratings and a slightly lower durability score, it earns the 5th spot on our list. Pros include its lightweight design, simple setup, and innovative latching system. The cons? It may not be the best option for those who need heavy-duty, all-weather protection. Coming in at number 4 is the Motorbox Truck Tonneau cover, designed for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 models. With a 5.5-foot bed, this soft trifold cover is built for all-weather durability. Featuring the fully waterproof and weather-sealed construction, the Motorbox cover ensures your cargo stays dry and protected from the elements. The no-drill installation process is straightforward, with user-friendly clamps making setup a breeze. The Motorbox cover excels in offering a secure locking system with integrated latches that keep your belongings safe during transit. Its tri-fold design allows for quick access to your truck bed, whether you need full or partial coverage. The vinyl and aluminum materials strike a good balance between durability and weight. However, at 24 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, which could make removal less convenient for some users. This tonneau cover is a solid mid-range option for truck owners who want reliable protection without breaking the bank. It's especially ideal for those who frequently encounter harsh weather conditions. On the downside, it lacks some of the premium features found in higher-ranked products, such as advanced latching systems or ultra-low profile designs. Pros include its weather resistance, secure locking system, and ease of installation. Cons? It's not the sleekest or most lightweight option on the market. At number 3, we have the Rough Country Soft Tri-Fold Vinyl Tonneau cover, designed for the 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150 and F-150 Lightning models. With a 5.7-foot bed, this cover offers a sleek, low-profile design that sits just 1 1/8 inches above the truck bed. Made from heavy-duty marine-grade vinyl, it is UV-protected, waterproof, and built to withstand all weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for year-round use. One of the standout features of this cover is its quick clamp system, which allows for tool-free installation in minutes. Whether you're hauling large items or need to secure your gear, the tri-fold design provides easy access to your truck bed. The locking cantilever latches add an extra layer of security, ensuring your cargo stays safe on the road. At 30 pounds, it's not the lightest option, but it feels sturdy and well-built. The Rough Country cover is perfect for truck owners who prioritize durability and security. It's backed by a 5-year warranty, which speaks to the brand's confidence in its product. However, the slightly higher weight and price point might not appeal to everyone. Pros include its rugged construction, excellent weather resistance, and secure latching system. Cons? It's heavier than some competitors and not as quick to remove. Taking the 2nd spot is the realtruck Truxedo Pro X15, a soft roll-up tonneau cover designed for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 models, with a 5.7-foot bed. What sets this cover apart is its industry-leading matte black woven fabric, which not only looks great, but also helps repel dust and dirt while driving. The Pro X15 features an ultra-low-profile design that sits flush with the truck bed, enhancing your truck's aerodynamics and overall aesthetic. Installation is a breeze thanks to the no-drill clamp-on system. The cover can be fully installed in under 30 minutes, and the trigger latch mechanism allows you to open or close it with just one finger. While the Pro X15 is not as heavy-duty as some tri-fold designs, it's perfect for those who want a lightweight, sleek, and functional cover. At 27.9 pounds, it's easier to handle and remove compared to heavier models. The Truxedo Pro X15 is a premium choice for truck owners who value style, convenience, and ease of use. It's ideal for urban drivers and those who prefer a roll-up design. However, its soft material might not provide the same level of security as hard covers. Pros include its sleek design, easy installation, and user-friendly operation. The con? It's not as robust as hard tonneau covers for heavy-duty use. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Whale Motor Quad-Fold Tonneau cover, designed specifically for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 models with a 6.5-foot bed. This cover offers a unique 4-section folding design, which provides more flexibility compared to traditional tri-fold models. Whether you need partial or full bed access, the Whale Motor cover adapts to your needs seamlessly. Made from high-quality vinyl and supported by durable aluminum frames, this cover is built to withstand harsh weather conditions while keeping your cargo safe from dust, dirt, and debris. Installation is simple and tool-free, thanks to its clamp-on design. At 37.2 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but that adds to its stability and durability. Plus, it helps improve gas mileage by reducing wind drag, making it a practical choice for long-distance drivers. The Whale Motor Quad-Fold Tonneau cover is the ultimate combination of versatility, durability, and affordability. It's ideal for anyone who needs a reliable cover that balances function and style. While it doesn't have the sleek, low-profile design of roll-up covers, its robust construction makes it the best overall option on our list. Pros include its quad-fold design, weather resistance, and easy installation. The con? It's on the heavier side, which might make removal less convenient for some users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.